Edo Wood Carving.
Wood carving in Japan has a long and rich history. During the Heian period, many Buddhist statues were created under the strong influence of Buddhism. Later, architectural carvings used to decorate the pillars and transoms of temples and shrines flourished, and various decorative carvings began to appear on furniture and everyday items as well. Even today, Edo wood carving lives on in many forms, from Buddhist statues and human figures to portable shrine ornaments, funeral accessories, and architectural pieces such as Ranma, transoms. Carrying on these traditional techniques, I now create wall hangings, ornaments, and other works that harmonize with modern lifestyles.